Modern design is all about keeping things clean while making every element count. Open Canva and select a poster-sized canvas to begin your project. Choose a minimal background, then head to Elements and add simple geometric shapes like rectangles, circles, or lines to build a stylish layout. Keep the shapes large and uncluttered so the design feels modern rather than busy. Upload your product image and position it where it naturally catches attention. Use the Position tool to arrange layers neatly and create depth with overlapping shapes. Add a bold headline, followed by product details in a clean sans serif font. Select